Hey educators, let's talk about making phonics instruction truly effective and engaging for your students.
We all have that one question, right? How do you get phonics to finally click for everyone?
Well, the answer is actually in a simple but really powerful pattern.
We're talking about word families. They make words so much more predictable for young readers. And get this, just 37 of these families can unlock over 500 common English words.
So what's the secret sauce? Why are they such a game changer in the classroom?
For starters, the data is clear. They can boost a student's decoding accuracy by 20–30%.
And it's not just decoding. They also simplify spelling and make learning phonics way more fun.
Okay, so where do you begin? The crucial starting point is with high-frequency, short vowels.
Families like at and n are absolutely perfect for building those foundational skills. Once they've got that down, you can move on to long vowels and other patterns.
It's a beautifully scaffolded approach, moving from simple CVC words to more complex vowel teams.
All right, let's get practical. How do you bring this to life in your lessons?
These 4 activities are fantastic and super adaptable for any classroom setup.
Plus, you can easily tweak these to support all your different learners' needs.
That predictability is so important, especially for English language learners. It just makes sense.
When you teach word families, what you're really doing is empowering students with confidence.
And you know what? That confidence spills right over into their writing and creativity.
So there you have it, a complete framework to really elevate your phonics instruction.
The only question left is, which word family will you and your amazing students dive into first?
Hey educators, let's talk about making phonics instruction truly